Hello guys, good day to us all. Welcome to today's video on the Crypto Fort channel. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving us the latest updates on the ICE token. Okay, now we have ICE Network is a project that got launched within this year, and people have been mining it massively. Let me just show you what the project is. Okay, let me open it. This is the ICE project here. Okay, I have presently my current balance is 26,515 ICE. I have 161 referrals. I'm ranked level 4, and I'm mining every 24 hours. You mine it. Okay, I made a video on this ICE project. I have like 2-3 videos on this ICE project. The last video I made, let me see if I can show it to you. The last video I made, I told us that we should keep an eye on this project because it was among the highest ranking videos, like videos with the highest searches, videos with the highest reactions, videos with the highest, like people were looking for that thing. People were looking for it. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. This is it here. Okay, if I come to my Google Analytics, let me see if it's possible to show you. It's possible to show you. No, there's a way, there's a way they send it to me. Okay, I think it's here. No. There's a way they will send it to me that okay, okay. There's a way they okay. Okay, look at it here. Yes. But this is not. This is actually even the main one. But look at it. It says how to mine ICE project has 2.1k views. That's the top. Look at the difference between this one and this one. 2.1k views, and this one is just 407. How to mine ICE project has 2.1k views. So that is to tell you that people are interested in this project. And now the beauty, one thing I've noticed in the crypto space is once a project starts garnering attention, once it starts being in the forefront of news of mainstream media and stuff like that, that project is going to do massive. It's going to do well. And now, yesterday, the ICE team, the dev team, they brought up one update. Let me just find it. I have it somewhere here. Okay, let me just find it. Okay, yeah. It says just read this important announcement. I will still drop this picture. I'll drop this article in the description, like so you can get across to it. We've always valued your feedback, blah 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 blah. There's what I'm looking for. So here, this second paragraph says this strategic move is designed to expand our user base and provide liquidity to our early supporters as we gear up for the mainnet launch in October 2024 and the beta testing of our mainnet app slated for Q2, that is the second quarter of next year. We believe this will foster greater community engagement and trust. Okay, this is in. Okay, says to be eligible for the ICE token release on the Ethereum network, participants must meet the following criteria. 1. Successfully complete the face recognition in step 1 of the KYC. 2. Successfully complete step 2 of the KYC, details of which will be shared soon. 3. Maintain a minimum of 5 active tier 1 friends. Each of these friends should have completed both steps of the KYC and have a record of at least 7 days of consecutive mining sessions. Says, lastly, we would like to highlight that the distribution of ICE tokens will be on a weekly basis leading up to the mainnet launch. This means you have the opportunity to access more tokens every week. You get that? Okay, it says the ICE token will be available once our team releases both steps of the KYC process. The tokens will be swappable from Ethereum to the ICE Open Network blockchain once mainnet has been launched. Now, what it basically means is that by the second quarter of next year, that's from April upwards, ICE token will be we can exchange the tokens. So what this basically means is that by the second quarter of next year, which is from April upwards, because second quarter starts from April, we can exchange the ICE token. You understand? You can transfer it on their blockchain platform, and you can convert it to from Ethereum. Then by October of next year, the project will launch fully. Now, imagine, let's say, for instance, now I have, like I showed you earlier, I've been mining this going to about 6 months now. I have 26,517 ICE tokens. Okay. Now, by that next year, how many thousand ICE tokens do you think I'll have? Let's just put it and say, okay, give myself another extra 1 year. Let's say because of, okay, I'm not too consistent, which I doubt, which I know I will be consistent. But let's cap it and say I have 50,000 ICE tokens by the launching of by October next year launching. Now, let's say for instance now each ICE token is worth 10 cents. Let's just say for instance just 10 cents. Let's just keep that a barest minimum of 10 cents. Or even if it's 1 cent. And I have 50,000 tokens. If it is 10 cents, that is I have $5,000. Just like free money that I didn't stress for. I didn't just every 24 hours just come click this green button and you are mining. Every 24 hours you come click that green button and you are mining. Let's say it's 1 cent and I have 50,000 of it. That 50,000 is $500. It's $500. And you know our current exchange rate. So that's the beautiful thing about this whole crypto space. All right, you don't like, for instance, now I don't know if you've heard of Tipcoin. I'll do a video on it, but the truth is, I didn't really follow up on Tipcoin. But people made millions, like tens of millions of Tipcoin from the three epochs, from Epoch One, Epoch Two, and Epoch Three. People made millions. Like I know guys that were consistent because I wasn't really consistent. I didn't really have the time. They were consistent. They were farming Tipcoin, and a whole lot of them got rewarded for it. So the crypto space is a space that rewards active participation. Just keep showing up. Just keep showing up. The big win is coming. Okay. So what I'll do for us is I'll drop the link on how to start mining, and if you want to know how to begin, there are already video. We already have videos on this channel, like about 2-3 videos. Let me see. My network is acting up. We already have about 2-3 videos that shows how to. Okay, this is one. This is one. This one was the one I did last month. I just looked at. This was when if you watch the video, I told them that look at from here now. See, I have 7,886. From that 1 month now, I have 26,500 and something. That was when I started noticing that this video was making waves, which means people were looking for that information in the video. Okay, there's another one. There's another one. There's another one. I think there are two of them there about. Let me see. Where are you? 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 Okay, okay. There are two videos on this channel. I can't really find the second one. Just if better, just go through it, and you can follow the steps there. It's very simple. It's very logical. There's no big deal there. Just get the app, register, download the app, and every 24 hours you are mining. Every 24 hours you are mining. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. I know we can do it, and I know if we're being consistent, definitely it's achievable. Thanks for watching. My name is Shukim Kamaraku. It's like come your way next time. This is to your success in the crypto space. All right. Bye for now.